Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set a picture password in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, we need to click right mouse button icon with a start. Then we need to go to settings. Here we need to find accounts, your accounts, email, sends, work and family settings. So I click here. Here we need to select from the left panel sign in options, and now we need to find here picture password. Swipe and tap your favorite photo to unlock your device. So I click on it, so you can use a favorite picture to sign into Windows, apps and services. I click add button here, and now we need to type here our current password to finish verification. When you will type it here, you need to click OK, and now you need to select the picture that you want to use for verification. So I click on this one button, and I select here picture that I want to use. For example, I will select this one picture and I click open. Now I click button use the picture, and now we need to draw 3 gestures on the picture. So first one I will do something like that, second one maybe something like that, and third maybe something like that. Okay, now we need to confirm our gestures, so I will do it now. I will click somewhere here and maybe somewhere here. Now I have successfully created picture password, so you can easily use it now. I click finish button and everything works properly now. It's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.